Just a while ago, right? Going to the store just a while ago for buy something. And the girl, she da look on a piece of paper and she bend over her head and I look on the paper and she tell me for wait. And in the top of her head she have on like a weave, something sewing and thing, and the big old gap, and you can see say the thing does not look good, the thing look half-full. So me decide to grab my phone now and take a picture, cause you know me always I put foolishness for Facebook style. And then I grab my phone and I go and go like say I look on the phone while she bend over to take a picture of the thing, the ear or the weave, the track, just big old split, and you can't see it does mess up. They decide to get some type of likes or comments after the fuck crap. Never remember some of that use the phone the night before to take some selfies. And the light and the camera, the light is still on. And not only that, you understand, the volume did have to. So, woman, I know, sir. I'm going to go to snap the picture now. The shit flash, yo. And it makes nice to you. The girl just look up and where the blood clot, you know. Yo, me never get so frightening in my life. Girl fly up fast and start cuss a bag of blood clot this, bag of blood clot that. And the people them behind me start look for me now. Me see them. A girl ain't now weak for good dog. Yo, she and a yard woman too, you know. Yo, she go out with a bag of things, dog. Yo, she deal with me away, so frighten me and make mistake and delete the picture. So now me even have no me show you. And get them by the same time. Well, yo, can't believe it, yo. Fuck Facebook, yo, but done.